Holly Cascanette, broker with Remax in Parry Sound. I am here at 7 Blackstone Lake Road. I am delighted to present this very unique offering. This is a year-round bungalow, approximately 1,200 square feet, and the special feature is that it is riverfront with direct access out into Crane and Blackstone Lake for miles of boating enjoyment, crown land, great fishing, swimming. You can also canoe from the riverfront in a canoe or kayak and enjoy it for miles and hours. It's very private setting, approximately 1.5 acres. And as you can see, there's a beautifully maintained above ground pool so that you can enjoy swimming, and it is on a year-round road south of Parry Sound. Don't miss this great, unique offering. Check it out on my website, hollysellsparrysound.com.